Obi nkyɛn ama nipa no wa yawning. Ama ebi ayoda. Ti se nipa no yawning na wo so kon do se on yawning. On hram na wo so wa hram bi. Ebi ato da wo na me kasa wo ho. Me pa cho sa ade no ho wo neurons cells bi wo your brain mu. Ye from mirror neurons. Na sa neurons no omo dwuma omo di Nyankopɔn de ode asom omo so omo meye nyina ne se. Omo hwɛ environment na omo apeke niema a similar to what you want to do, then they trigger it. In the time bia me ka se so opese wo ba beye obi titiri da ache enye se kofa book kosua de time bia ma akra no hu the kind of life you are wishing for him and give him reason why he should go take the book, because the book is going to give him stepping stone to achieving at the corner panel. Ebanesa, you will not force the baby to learn. Whatever thing you want your baby, your child to do, let the baby understand why. Let the baby surround him or herself around these people. Nkomodidi a wo di tira akra no, wona wo kunu di nkoma akra no otie or mirror. Niamo ye o hall no or hwe, otranso ohu. But don't overlook it. Don't let it be like, oh, me ba wa be jina ho na or to work ni mu. Na ye boy nsem, ze di or to work o. Or mirror. Or hwe. TV no so, ye boy Agyekum Francis videos for bi tira akra no nsha ase hwe ntem. Your financial books man hwe. This particular neuron na ewo ya adwuma nyame is so intelligent or the aba. The mirror neurons no. Ubetima ma akra na using it positively. And this baby or yourself, you are going to attract a lot of people. When you microphone na se konkonsan fo na no mo na ma microphone hu nsem kwa na mo ka mo nyama bi sem ba improve ma braba e be nya nsunsan so wo so ma akra no hu exactly what they want. Leave them to go closer to that thing. Let them make friends around that area and you can sleep peacefully. Ubekwa ko ba akra de dem na ogusu ya baka say aden baka say o ya ade bo we ya onai. That's how it is. Africa, let's change. My name is Agyekum Francis.